This old cutting board has been in the house for decades and never used. It looks very dry. It seems to have some glue or something spilled on it. And so I'm going to clean, condition, and seal it so it can be used and preserved. I'm using Howard cutting board oil and Howard butcher block conditioner. There's an affiliate link in the description. You can see how dry this board is. It hasn't been washed or sealed at all for like 20 years. Looks so good, even just a little bit of water on it. The color's coming back. So after I wash this and scrape a few things off, I'm going to let it dry overnight. It ended up being 2 nights. And then I'll put the oil on. Okay. Beautiful wood. Edges. And the other edge. Need more water. And hot oil system. You might notice that cutting board that's under this one needed some work as well. And I tried the oil and wax on that first, and it helped a lot. But this one's really going to show a big difference. Well, and I think it has better potential to look nice because the other one got chopped to pieces because we always use it and it never got treated properly. But this one hasn't been chopped to pieces, so I can still make it look nice and preserve it better. I'm not sure what to do about these loose pieces, but it's a good thing all the knots and big problems and blemishes seem to be on one side. So there's definitely a top side and a bottom side to this thing. The way the boards were put together, it left some gaps. And the oil just goes all the way through the board. So I'm hoping that's not going to be an issue with the sanitary cleaning of the board. But maybe I could find a way to fill that in with some wood filler next time I do a thorough cleaning. The wood color really came out just with the oil, but once we put this wax on, it's really going to have a nice shine and protect it from regular cleaning with soap and water in between oilings. Well, I tried doing this one-handed so that I wouldn't get both gloves oily, so I'd have a clean glove to grab the bottles with, but eventually I had oil all over everything and I had to wash the bottles off at the end. And the board kind of spun around. I had to hold that with a second glove, but still, what a great shine. What a great looking board. A little messy job, but I only have to do that about once a month. Thanks for watching, and if you made it this far, be sure to hit that like button. It's time for me to go chop some fresh produce. See you next time.